Hello and welcome to kiiff.com. This is WordPress walkthrough series part 4. In the last video we changed over to this Orfeo theme and we began basic customizations, and we talked about, that video ended talking about font awesome or FA icons. In this video we're going to continue customizations of the theme. So we'll just jump right into it here. First thing is we have some plugins to update, so we'll go ahead and update those. Alright, plugins updated. So I want to start off in the home page and just change around some of the, start getting some more of the default text out of the home page. Looks like Elementor's having a little bit of a problem. We'll try it this way. Alright, there we go. We'll start here with our little testimonial section. And I like to say testimonials here. And we'll just put in some fake names and testimonials, but obviously you'd want real ones for your business. So we're going to focus mostly on this roofing business would be residential, and they might specialize in some a few commercial contracts here and there. So we'll have these mostly residential homeowners. Alright, just a little testimonial there, and we'll just write out a couple more and it'll be done. And we'll add just one more testimonial, maybe advertising that this particular company has worked with has some commercial roofing experience. So just one more to go. All right. Now that looks a lot better, and actually just to correct for any OCD here, we might put the commercial contractor in the middle, but we might do that later. So the testimonials do a lot for your website, and it shows that your business has been trusted by clients before, and of course you want to have good things for them to say, and that you're doing a good job. And on that note, we'll actually switch gears into the blog, which I believe is one of the most important parts of your website, even if you just have a website that is mostly to give information for your visitors. So I would say this is more of an informational site where someone wants your phone number or wants your address or your hours of operation, something like that. So they're coming here for information. It's not like an educational site, or it's a little bit different, but it's still very important to convey that your business is still alive and doing well, and you can call the phone number and we're going to pick up, and we do a really good job, and we're proud of our work. So that's where the blog is going to come in, and I think you'll see that take shape as I start to develop it over the course of this video here. So we're using the blog to check out what we have done recently. That's kind of our motto for the blog. And what we want to do is convey on the blog updated posts about what we've been doing. Just that. I mean, we're not in it to lie here. We're just showcasing, using it as a showcase opportunity, and as an opportunity to remind our website visitors, potential customers, that hey, yeah, we're alive, doing well, and check out what we've been doing because we're proud. So to work on that, we will go back into the dashboard and go to posts, and we can just take a look, see if there's anything special here. Yeah, and there's not. So we just get rid of that, start a new post. And for a site like this, I don't see a reason to update it any more than once a month would do just fine. If you're active in the last month, that would show me, if I was a potential customer, I'd be satisfied with that. So this is we're in March of 2018, so let's just go January, February, March, and we'll go from there. So we'll just start it with the date. and just talk about maybe what we did that month. You know, what happened? The company, did we get a new truck? Did we get a new trailer? Did we get new equipment? We'd be working on some roofs during this time. So maybe we completed a recent project and we just want to show that off and how well that done, how well that went. Maybe want to show, take a picture of shingle repair. So we have a storm came through, a tree branch fell down and damaged some shingles, ripped some off. We take a picture of that before we get started, and then we correct the problem, do our work, and we take a picture of it after. And it really shows your website visitors and gives you that sense of pride that you know, it's hey, we did that kind of thing. So, you know, let's just do let's just say this month let's just showcase a new roof that we completed or that we're working on. So we'll just put a date on here. Let's just say it's January 15th. So we just have, you know, we started working on a new residential roof last week. Check out how it's coming along. Just a real simple thing. And we're going to want to set our image. In this case, I'm going to use a Pexels copyright-free photo. But obviously for your business, you'd want to use the appropriate pictures for your topic. But let me just grab that picture here. I'm going to upload a few of them. All right, and we'll use this one. We'll set that as a featured image. And I'm not entirely sure how this is going to look on the production side, but I'm confident that we'll be able to make it how we want. I do want to change this link with the order on the file structure where this post would be posted. This is kind of an ugly link. If someone wanted to link it to a friend, or if you wanted to link it to someone, this particular post, it's kind of an ugly link, and we'll make sure to work on that before this is all finished. But let's go ahead and just post this, and let's see what it looks like on our website. So visit site, and we should have it here. Yeah, so you can see that the featured image, and we started working, it says it nicely. Uncategorized, might have to fix that. Looks like we can leave a reply. All the share buttons here, recent posts. And it looks like it's actually going to try to load that picture in the background. So there's a few things I can see right off the bat that we're going to want to change, and one of them is that it's published by admin. And in the case of this particular site, I don't want any posts or pages or anything to have a particular author. I just want it to be like this is what the company did. And furthermore, it doesn't look like it actually put our picture down. It looks like it just put it in the header. So we're going to want to put our picture actually in the post. And change the category of it. So we might start with, let's just see. See, we might just delete that picture and see if it still looks okay. And I'll go ahead and create. You know, I could see if we're doing residential and commercial, then that seems like an obvious category of posts. So we'll just say, and I just thought to just put updates. Maybe maybe company updates might be better even. So maybe the company updates category will just be a catch-all, and we can just post everything under there. Very simple. So let's see how this looks on the blog page. So it gave it a default picture. Company updates, that looks a bit nicer. And it doesn't look like it put that picture in. Oh, there it is. So categories, company updates, and it's got our picture in there. We might do something to make it a little bit larger. Just see what the full size looks like. And align it center. Yeah, that looks a bit nicer there. I don't want to allow comments, so we'll have to disable that. And then, as I mentioned, we'll have to disable the remove the author of admin. And the more I'm looking at this, I think I just wanted to say like January update, maybe January 2018. Update, and we'll go back to the home page. It opens it up, looks pretty nice. Check the blog page one more time, and it's just giving it this this strange default picture, which for now I'm going to go ahead and ignore. However, we will come back and either put the image as our main image, which I'll just go ahead and do now, or we might just figure out a way to have no image there. It's just going to be little customizations like that. When you're working with different themes, it has different solutions depending on the theme. So a couple things on the to-do list here, but we'll get them all done. I want to just add a February one, just start making it look like a real, like a nice blog area. So All right. So this month we completed another new roof, and we just give the size. So maybe that helps. It would help potential customers and visitors to the site understand what we have, what our typical clientele would be. So say maybe this is a 3,000 square foot home. So put that in the company up. And I think the other image was this one. There we go. So we've got some nice pictures, company updates, telling us, giving an update. Now, I'm sure if you actually did the job, you could make a lot more of a story out of this. Not that you need to write, 500 words on every post, but you could easily do more than just a sentence on particular. Maybe talk about the windows on the February update. Maybe those that's a particularly hard thing to do, or something. We made some really nice archways. You could talk about specific things with the project. So this is coming along. This looks a lot nicer, and it gives us a look at the blog page too. So as you can see, I haven't done anything on the theme other than what you've seen in these videos, and we can already see how it outlines a really nice alternating blog post look, and with the pictures look nice. You hover over it, zooms in, and really the only thing is to just get rid of the timestamp and the author, and we'll fix the links, the hyperlinks that are going to the posts. And this is a really key part of the site, and you can see how much of it WordPress and this theme is doing for us. It's a really great thing, actually. So back to the home page, and I want to look at the about page here, and just start doing a little bit of edits on the about page. This might be split into another page. We might have an about and then a services specifically, or we might just wrap it all into one. But for now, I want to talk about a few things that the company does that it's a little ambiguous. It could go services or about, but for now we're just going to try to put it in the about page. Alright, so in the About page, the first thing we have to do with the Elementor plugin is select the structure of our section. So the way that I'm envisioning is we'll have one main section, and this will be just some title text, some header, and I was envisioning a column, and on one side we could have like different things that we do. So we might do inspections. We could do different kinds of evaluations on the roof. So we might just clean, we might clean out chimneys, or clean and inspect the gutter, or there's other services that our business would provide that we would want to mention on here. So we could just have a nice list of them, and then over here we probably just put a nice picture. So it's always nice to have a nice picture to go along and just follow your context, so you're not just looking at a wall of text. So go ahead and drag our image over here, and for now we can just leave it at that blank image. Up here we were thinking of some heading. So maybe it's going to be our services. And obviously that color is not fitting for our website. Maybe just a black would be nice. And here we want to put like a bulleted list. So to do that, I think we'll just go to the text editor. And we'll just go right down the line. I'm not entirely sure the details of a roofing company or whatever your company may be, but I'll just try to think of some things here. So that's a pretty good list there. We have of our service, and then there's something else that we could do as well. I wonder what our logo would look like here. It's probably a bit too. Oh, that looks okay. So yeah, that looks nice with our logo. And I want to just put a new section for a divider. And let's just see what our options are. We'll keep it solid. And don't necessarily want it to go all the way across. We did one like that on the Contact Us page, so I like to mix it up from page to page. So just a little divider like that I think would work. And we'll open up a new section, and here I know roofing inspections would be a big part of something that you could offer. So it's probably worth making that its own section. We'll just start out with well, I'm not exactly sure, so we'll just leave it here. And just to make sure the video doesn't get too long, go ahead and cut it off here, and we'll pick up in part 5 of finishing fleshing out this about us page. Whoops. We'll finish fleshing out the About Us page and get back to the home page, and then fix the blog page. And the site's coming along. Make sure we update our changes here. So that's it for part 4. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.